Saka saka. A main dish from Democratic Republic of Congo. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. In a large pan, add all the ingredients except for the palm oil, peanut butter and the red onion rings. The water should just cover all the ingredients. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer and cover. Step 2. Continue cooking until
Once
the cassava leaves are done. Take the pot off the heat and ensure you have about 250 milliliters of liquid left. Add water if you don't and squoze. Have enough liquid. Step 3. Mix the peanut butter with some oil to soften it. Pour this over the vegetables and return the pan to the heat. Allow to heat through and cook for 10 minutes. Then add the remaining red oil and cook for a further 10 minutes. Step 4. Serve with fufu or rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.